Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I hope you guys had an amazing July. It was a cool month for me. My birthday happened and a lot of other cool things, but I will get to my highs and lows at the end of this video. But of course, let's get started with my monthly favorites and my unfavorites. I'm sporting my Stroh's jersey. No other reason except for the fact that it's comfortable, and I'm literally in biker shorts and sliders right now. It's just to be comfortable kind of day. All right, so we got some new brands and some old brands, but I'm gonna start off with an old brand, but it's also a drugstore find, which I know everybody loves. As you guys know, I'm in the L'Oreal League, and they send me products every single month for me to evaluate, and this month they sent their Paradise collection. I am actually not a fan of the Lash Paradise mascara. Everyone else in the world is, but I'm not. I am an OG L'Oreal Voluminous mascara fan, but when I got the other products, like their blushes, these Enchanted Paradise blushes, I actually put a little of this color, 193 Charming, on today on my cheeks, and then I used this liquid liner. I just think that it's always good to find a liquid liner that runs smoothly across your lash line and doesn't feel like it's dry, and I always love liquid liners that have like a pot you can dip into because that makes it so it stays nice and fresh. This one is a really beautiful deep black. It is what it is, and for the price point, it's like a really good find, so I think you guys will really like it. I also stopped wearing liquid liner for a while, and now it's like resurfacing back into my life like I was just about the lashes life, but that's just switch, you know? It's a little cyclical for me. You feel me? Okay, moving on, I want to talk about another old brand, but a new product from them. Well, new product for me. I'm not sure if it's a new product in period. Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance Bronze. Like, Laura Mercier is very much known for their primers, but this baby has like a goldy, bronzy, dewy finish, which I so love. I actually, a lot of times, because lately, especially during the summer, I haven't been wearing foundation. I've been wearing this as my foundation, just like on my face with like SPF, but it also is great to be able to put on your face prior to putting on the rest of your makeup. Okay, the next product I want to talk to you guys about is Honest Beauty, which you guys may know. It's Jessica Alba's brand, and it's all about clean beauty, but really pigmented and pretty clean beauty. It's sold in Target, which is another win also. But this is an old brand-ish, but it's actually new because they completely redid the packaging on every single product of the brand, and I really love it. All their new branded stuff is just really like fresh and like young looking. I'm just here for it. I love the colors for it all. But the other thing I love about it is that, you know, clean beauty, I always like love to like discover new clean beauty brands and products, but what I love about it is I don't want to sacrifice the payoff in pigment. This Creme Cheek Blush, Peony Pink. If you're looking for a subtle color on your cheeks, this is not a super high payoff, you know, Becca blush or like a MAC blush. This one is more just like a little bit of color on your cheeks, and you can actually use it on your lips too if you want a little beauty hack. But I love it. It's really easy for on the go. Whenever I'm in an Uber and getting ready, I'll just take this and put a little color on my cheeks. I, especially during the summertime, am all about less is more, like all about it. So any brands I realize that are like just clean and keep it simple, but give me a little bit of something, I'm about. And that's what this does. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is probably new to you guys, and I'm probably not going to say it right. It's either Onami or Onami. It's a little cheek stick, and you guys know how much I love anything in stick form. I say that every time, and every time it feels like I'm saying something dirty. Get your mind out of the gutter. This is about makeup. Boosting Lip and Cheek Stick. So it has hydrating balm, collagen enhancing active, and hints of color. The shade Nightingale Nude is really great for a subtle contour on your cheeks. It's definitely very creamy. It's very hydrating, and some might say that it doesn't have enough color to it, so it really just depends on what makeup look you're going for. But lately, what I've been doing is wearing this Laura Mercier all over my face, putting this on my cheeks, not wearing foundation or concealer, just because summertime, it is so hot. Like, I literally am filming right now, and there's lights on me, and the garage is open. I'm low-key sweating. You probably see it in my upper lip, but we're just gonna pretend like that's not happening and just keep moving forward. So, I don't know if you guys can see my lashes. I hope you can. I've been using this Roden & Fields Lash Boost Enhancing thing. You know, Revitalash also exists, but I've actually been using both, like Revitalash on one and Roden & Fields on the other. First and foremost, Roden & Fields didn't burn, which was like step one, thank God. Revitalash burned a little bit, and I don't know all the technical stuff behind this, so please do your research before you use this stuff. I'm told that there's some things that people have said that they've had health issues from using it. I'm not sure about all that, but what I do know is that I have noticed that my lashes have grown. So let me know in the comments below if you've used it and had a negative experience. I got lash extensions, and I was allergic to the glue, and my eyes blew up double in size, and all my lashes fell out when they had to remove it. Since then, my lashes have really never been the same. Sensitive subject. This baby has kind of brought it back to life, so I'm very grateful for that. Next up, you guys know how excited I get about a beautiful, rich, luscious lip color discovery. These Bobbi Brown Luxe lip color, they feel pretty darn luxe. I have the colors Soft Berry, Bahama Brown, and Parisian Red in front of me. Every single one I recommend to tint girls out there, man. I'm wearing Soft Berry right now, and it's really great for everyday wearable look, but even the brown shade was really beautiful, but this Parisian Red is stunning, and this formula is so luscious on my lips. Like, I can't get enough of it. It's definitely not a liquid lipstick. It will come off if you're like eating things, but it just feels nice against the lips. And right now, summertime, man, summertime is hot. It's like real hot. All right, that's a lot of products. Let's get into the products I did not like that I discovered this month. So I want to start with this, and it is from Supergoop. It is their Glow Stick Sunscreen SPF 50. So my girl Namvo is all about the queen of glow, and she loves this thing. She's like drenching herself in it. But I also think Nam doesn't wear face makeup ever, and she just like focuses on her skin. So if that's the case for you, and you're just like going into the sun and you want an SPF stick, this does give you like this glow, and it is an SPF 50. And Supergoop is a huge SPF authority. The Body SPF is my go-to. It doesn't leave a gray overcast. It's in spray form, so you can just spray it on yourself. But this stick is just not my favorite because the Shiseido stick exists out there, and you can actually wear it with makeup. It gives you that SPF coverage you want and a little bit of glow or dewiness, really, but you can layer makeup on top of it, and it doesn't mess up the way the makeup sets on your face. Like when I put this on and the Onami stick on top of it, it did not flow. It just like slippery slipped right off my face. So to me, that's just not a win. I prefer, for me, SPF on my face to be something that I can put subtle makeup on top at least, you know? And I didn't feel that way with that product. The next thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about is Flesh Beauty. Flesh Beauty is a new brand that launched. These are some of the examples of the packaging. That's all about bringing it back to the basics. Like none of the like BS stuff, none of the blue colors and things like that. This brand was launched by actually Revlon, and Linda Wells, who runs it, launched like 90 products of this Flesh Beauty brand that's in Ulta. It's just simplifying beauty, I guess is the thoughts. I will say that their blush stuff, or these are like multi-purpose pods, Fever and Tremble, they're very pigmented, very, very pigmented and affordable. And I think Flesh in general, it kind of like gives me the heebie-jeebies hearing it, but I don't know, they're getting a lot of really positive reviews for their like little foundation sticks. This is 25 Salted Caramel from Flesh. I will say the color of it on my skin is literally perfection, but unless you warm it up on your hand like this, it will drag on your face. It's just not a soft, creamy enough formula on its own. Another caveat I have is this is all the product you get in the stick, and for the price point, I don't think it makes sense. There's a lot of other sticks out there like the Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick. It is more expensive, but I love the coverage of it a little more and how it feels against my skin. But I will say they did do a variety of ranges of skin tones. They have highlighter sticks, bronzing sticks, so if you're looking for an on-the-go friendly one, here's an option for you. TBD and your call whether you think it's worth the price point. I really did like these though, these colors. So it's kind of a favorite and an unfavorite because I appreciate what the brand stands for, and it is different from what is out there, and it feels very tint girl friendly, so I appreciate it. Personally, that's what I think. That is my monthly favorites and unfavorites this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can you subscribe to my channel? I always mean to say this in the beginning, so please subscribe. I just crossed 200,000, so thank you so much for your support. Let's get to 250 and then 500 and keep it going. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to finish with saying the highs and lows of this month. So I would say the highs of this month. I turned 29. I launched a charity campaign for Raices. I did not raise all 5,000 of it, but I did raise a few $1,000s for them for my birthday, so that makes me feel really good. And I went to New York City, and I have a whole vlog on it, hopefully it'll pop up in a card, to go vouch for Tinted and the community we're building for inclusivity with all of Estee Lauder companies holistically. I'm hoping we see some momentum there and more people come out with things like Flesh, because that really is my like life passion right now. So please follow Tinted if you don't. It's in the description down below. And another thing I'm so proud of, for the first time this year, I can say, I, Deepica Mutyala, have gotten back into working out and running. I just haven't been feeling like myself. I mean, I like watch my videos and you know, it's tough to feel like, wow, I look like different. It's not something I'm like stressed so much about. Like the old me would have freaked out about this honestly and like dieted to extremes and things like that. But I also realize that I'm building something I'm so passionate about and excited about. I'm back to creating some sort of a routine in my life, and I ordered a treadmill and I'm gonna get it into my home studio because honestly, I just wanna like walk on incline at all times when I'm on conference calls and like make it a thing. It's only been 7 days, by the way, but every day for the past 7 days I've run 3.25 miles, which is like a 5K, but I feel very proud of myself. And And then the things that didn't go as well this month. What is that? Is that a lawnmower? Really? Really? Hold for lawnmower. Come on, dude, you're killing me here. All right, I gotta get this video finished because I have to go do some other work, so I'm just gonna scream a little bit at the end of this video. Oh, see, this is why my voice gets messed up. But the thing I would say that didn't go well this month, bruh. I mean, should I go make a snack? I think that's better. All right, I'm just gonna go now because he might come right back. I think the thing that didn't go well this month, not really didn't go well, but I would say I would like to improve on is I have had a dream to create a series on YouTube where I'm interviewing friends in my life that I think are really inspirational and doing really great things, whether they're influencers or founders of companies. And I've wanted to create this interview series, but I've been so in my head about what it looks like and perfecting it and making it into like my own little show on YouTube. I haven't made enough progress towards that last month. So I'm hoping in August, that's a different story. So yeah, nothing really bad. I mean, it's overall a good month. I feel proud of the things that I've done, especially in the summertime, man. People slow down. No, 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 no. It's been a busy July. So that is my monthly favorites. That was a long one, but I feel like I haven't done a video talking to you guys in a minute, so I hope you liked it. I'm sweating. The lawnmower is not turning off, so I'm gonna go, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Go Stros. Go Stros.